This project gave me a great experience. It was unusual for me to communicate with people from another countries. Also, I really like our work in teams, and the topics of our mini projects were very interesting. Also, I can say that our city is directly connected with nuclear industry. That is why the spent fuel problem is very important for our citizens.
Hi, my name is Nastya. I'm a participant of an international project, Virtual Scientific Challenge, which is connected with nuclear industry, in particular nuclear spent fuel. I was really delighted with the chance to communicate with American students who are really friendly people. Moreover, I have improved my own knowledge in this area. Of course, there were some difficulties. The main reason was time zone. All in all, it was a wonderful experience for me, and I'm sure that I will participate in such projects in my future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Maria Frolova. This project was very interesting and observing. It included information from different areas that was needed to be collected to the whole picture. In some tasks, we could show our creativity. I met with difficulties such as finding some answer to specific questions about nuclear industry. In some countries are not always available. It was difficult to work with scientific terms because I don't speak English perfectly yet.
Hi, my name is Olga Dobrovolskaya. It was my first experience when I dealt with the nuclear spent fuel questions. Thanks to this project, I've known something about this field and recognized that international cooperation is the best way to solve any problem.